Hey people, welcome to Thiztool, and today we're going to be looking at the Milwaukee nut driver set. As you see now, I went ahead and opened up the metric one just because it's so hard to open this package. It takes me like 10 minutes. So I went ahead and opened it before we got started. But on the metric one, the number is 48-22-2417. And right here it says you can use these to remove strip bolts. So that's cool right there. It also says that you can use them on 4 different types of fasteners. You could use them on hex, square, 12-point, and spline. And they're all wrench ready with a hollow shaft, forged strength, rust protection, limited lifetime warranty. And they're also color coded. And these ones right here are the metric are 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 13. And as far as the SAE, pretty much everything is the exact same, except of course the number to this one is 48/22/2407. And these ones, the sizes go from 1/4, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, half, and 9/16. So the 9/16, you look at this big old beast. It looks pretty hefty right there. And as you can see, they're pretty solid, you know. I mean, they each have their individual. Let me see if they're different. Yeah, they each have their individual number right here. So I guess if you lose one or whatever, you can actually well, if you lose it, you won't be able to get the number, but if it breaks or whatever, you'll be able to get the number off of that right there and be able to reorder you a new one. So it has all the information right here, and it's not that hard to see. It's pretty big numbers and letters right there. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the 10mm. And on the inside, let me grab the bigger one. Where did it go? Right here. See, the inside is like pretty much a spline, or yeah, spline. It looks more like a spline than a 12-point, but yeah, I mean, I thought it was cool that you can also use these on strip bolts, because you know sometimes there's not many things that you can use on those strip bolts unless you got them bolt biters or something like that. But anyhow, you know, like these tools that I have, you know, they're DIY tools slash homeowner. That's the type of tools that I usually buy, because you know I'm not a professional, so I'm not making money with these tools. You know, most of the things I use them on is just on stuff around the house. So you know, I'm not gonna pay $200 and $300 for a set of these if I'm only gonna use them a handful of times a year. You know, so for the average DIYer and the homeowner, I do recommend these. You know, this is a nice set. I mean, they're almost similar to the icons. The icons are pretty much the same. Of course, the handle's different on those, but this handle's pretty nice. It's, you know, like rubbery, soft. I guess you can call it a soft handle. And then right here, let me see if I could get a wrench on that. I don't know what size it would use. Oh, there it is. So on this one right here, the 9/16, it seems like a 12 will fit it. Well, it's a little bit loose. Let me see. What is this? This is a half. That one's too big. That one's too big as well. Let me see. Let me try this. Oh, that one fits perfect right there. The 9/16, this 13mm fits good. Oh, this half fits even better. So yeah, you can put a wrench on them right here if you need that extra torque, you know, to remove a bolt that's stuck on there. You just go ahead and put the wrench right here, and they all have it. You know, they're all different sizes, of course, but the length on these, they're all 3 inches, from the smallest one to the fattest one. Yeah, they're all the 3 inches in depth as far as the metal right here. So yeah, you can use all those. And the only thing is that they don't fit on a regular screwdriver rack. I tried it on this one right here, but some of them fit on there, but not bigger ones. You know, the bigger ones, they're just too fat. So I was gonna ask if anybody knows of something I can use to put them in my toolbox to keep them all together. If you can go ahead and put it down in the comments if you got any suggestions. But because they're almost like screwdrivers. This is the one that I put together on the other video. So I got most of them in here. This was, I think it was a 10 screwdrivers. So one of them didn't fit in there. I couldn't get this last one in there anywhere. But for the most part, I got those in there. So if anybody has any ideas on how I can put these or keep them inside of my toolbox, it'll be appreciated if you can put it down on the comments, please. And besides that, you know, just real quick, I just wanted to show you guys these nut driver set, because I actually never seen them in the store at Home Depot. I ordered them off their website. I think I got them for like $40 each set, I think. So that's all I got for you guys today. So keep on doing what you do. Don't let nobody say you can't do anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next go around. Bye. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.